This is my bird trap. The camera on the tripod is modified with a hack named CHDK, and the camera detects movement, and I built this trap yesterday with bamboos and wire metals, and I left some fruits in the top of it so it attracts birds. And in the very first day we have a very nice surprise. They are really crazy about the bamboo thing I did, so I hope you like it. This is a bird named Tie Sangue, which means Tie blood, I guess, because of this color, looks like blood. This one is the male. The brown ones are the females. I think this male has 3 female birds, which doesn't have the same color, and I'm not sure if they are females or just young birds that doesn't have the red color yet.